In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SharePlay feature on an iPhone to listen to music with friends via messages. Before we start though, make sure that you're up to date to the latest iOS version to use SharePlay. As of right now, the feature that we're going to be looking at in the version that's the most recent is iOS 16. To get started, open an app that supports SharePlay. This includes Apple apps like Apple Music, Apple TV, and Fitness. You can also share with TikTok, Twitch, and a few other ones. We'll share some music that we're listening to through Apple Music in this example. Let's say that I want someone to listen to this playlist here with me. This would work on any individual song or an album also though. With the playlist open, tap the three dots on the top right of the page. From inside of this menu, you'll see SharePlay. Choose that. Next, add your contact or contacts that you want to share with. And after that, select Messages at the top of the keyboard. One thing though is, each person in the conversation has to have their own subscription, or on a family plan, purchase, or on a trial of the service that you're sharing. Enter a message and then send the text. You'll then see that the contact at the top has been invited. Once the person joins, tap the dynamic island up here and then hit Start to begin playing the music or show. After that, you can then tap the messages icon here to head back into messages and chat, or you can select the FaceTime icon to switch over to a FaceTime call. When you're in the messages app, you can then press and hold on the right side of the dynamic island to access the music controls, or press and hold on the main island to bring up the SharePlay controls. From here, you can then select the SharePlay button for even more options or hit X to end. And that's how you listen to music with someone using SharePlay inside of the messages app.